Welcome to part 7 of How to Make Money Online for Free by me, Craig Byrne. Today we're going to talk about how to promote the software using your affiliate link, which you shortened. You don't have to shorten it, but it looks better when you do shorten it. We've done that in part 5, how to shorten your affiliate link. You have a new web address or funnel address, which we've done in the last video, which is how to make a website using my code. Let's go to, there we are. Right, we're on your dashboard now. So this is your dashboard. You already know where to get your affiliate link. You know how to shorten your affiliate link. You have your web page up here with your own logo, add your own style, add your own flair to it. And how do you do that? Remember, you go to pages and you go to that page. And I'm actually now going to, I call it funnels for free. I'm actually going to delete it because I have, but you don't delete your site. You need your site to stay online, but I'm deleting mine. Right, so you have your website. Did that delete or not? Delete, yes, I'm sure. Yes, go. Right, so the best places to go to are obviously Facebook. And when you post on Facebook, you want to tell people how great Groove Digital is. Let's look at one of my recent posts. There's me, social media expert. Let's have a look. There's a nice post. Look, are you stuck at home and have no money to start a business? With no credit card and no money needed, I can get you started. Look at the engagement I got on that. 180 comments, 66 likes. Absolutely. And my 10-day free training, beginner's tutorial to become a high-ticket affiliate for free with Groove Pages. Loads of comments. Everybody's interested. But what you do when you put a clever post, you could say something like, would you like 3 free websites hosted for free for life? When people comment, what you do, the trick is, when someone comments, like someone here said, with what tools and techniques? And you say, can I send you a private message, please? Or can I send you a private message to give you the details? And he said, yes, please. So I then personal messaged him. I said, hello, mate. And then here is my affiliate link. And I pasted my affiliate link into his messenger. And he then clicked on the messenger of my affiliate link and went and signed up for the free affiliate account with Groove. So that's a tactic on your own personal profile. It's very, very easy. You can also go into groups, some groups on some pages. For instance, work from home, business opportunities, work from home. This one here. And you could type it into there. Let's do one now. For an experiment. Okay. Let's start. Would you like 3 times free websites free for life and no credit card needed. Oh, that's how it, no credit card. Let's put a background on it. Would you like 3 times free websites? Let's change that to small, free for life, and no credit card needed. There you go. That's all I had to do. That was very easy. Now I'm going to post it to that group. There you go. Would you like 3 times free websites, free for life, and no credit card needed? And within minutes, I'm going to get people liking and comment, because in this group there's 187,000 members. So that's how to start promoting. Always remember, get somebody's permission to give your affiliate link. So if somebody comments here, yes, I would like that. I would like 3 free websites for life. And then you say, oh, hello, can I send you the link in a private message? Then you private message them. That, because Facebook doesn't like it when you put links on their website. Facebook doesn't want people to leave Facebook. So don't put your link in your copy up here, and don't put your link in the comments down here. Sometimes I do, but it stops so many people from seeing your post. More people will see your post if you don't put your link in the comments or in the copy. You ask people to send them a private message. That's how you promote your affiliate link. So when people click on your affiliate link, they sign up, and they get the free software that you get. Now you need to learn why is Groove so good, and which we will go through in the next lesson, part 8. Okay, that was a simple lesson. See you soon. Part 8 coming soon. Take care, everybody. Take care. Goodbye.